stumbling and dropping revs real quick like.
Welcome back to Sow Grow. My name is Luke. Today, it's mowing season. Now, mowing is probably one of my favorite things to do, but to do that, we have to get the big tool rack off the tractor, and then go over here, and we'll hook up the brush mower. So come along with me. Okay, we're all hooked up. Gonna head around the property and mow where I deem necessary. What about you guys? Do you guys enjoy mowing as much as I do? Let me know down in the comments. This is my third year prairie right here. It's looking a little sparse, but that could just fill in some grasses. At least we hope so. But the last 2 years, I guess last year, it looked really pretty. Year one, there was some nice flowers, but year 3 and on, it's supposed to be its best years. This area you can see is really pretty sparse. And up here, we got more coverage. Down here. So we'll see what happens. Here's an area I cleared out last year, maybe 2 years ago, and look at all the flocks that came up. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to head to the creek and start mowing down there, but first, let's check out all these cool May apples in the chestnut grove. So many of them. This is one of our biggest trees, but I fear it may be dying or already dead. Now there's some leaves up there, but it's not very healthy. One of my goals down here is to get rid of the stinging nettle. It's already starting to come up. So if I can knock it back year after year, maybe we'll get rid of it. But here's the before. It's pretty down here. The creek is dropping. I'll show you that in a little bit. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps. Thanks. What are some of your goals for 2026 on your own properties? Let me know down in the comments. Cam does add a little bit of difficulty to the YouTube filming process, but overall it's good. Today I'm listening to the 21 Pilots. What do you guys listen to while you're out tractoring? Let me know in the comments. Camera down. It's the least sturdy tripod I've ever seen. Well, here's a creek. Last week it was at least up to the high water mark here and up over here. And it's mostly been backflow from the Iowa River, which is about, I don't know, 3/4 of a mile that way. And yeah, one time the dog came down here, and when he came home, he's a big dog, he's 95 pounds. The water level on him, he was definitely swimming. So it doesn't move very fast. As I said, it's just backwater. But yeah, it's nice that it's gone back down. Hopefully things dry out and there's less mosquitoes, because in a couple of weeks it's going to be gnarly around here. Yeah, everything's working good. No problems. Got what I wanted beat down. Prefer if this is just like grasses and clovers and stuff. But and some forbs. Nobody likes stinging nettles, so I think a burn down here is probably in need. Yeah, I think that's good enough for down here. What do you guys think? Now let's see what else we can find around. First we got to go up the steep hill up to the chestnut grove. We should make it just fine, but it is a little spongy. The tractor's been doing this lately, where it'll just fall flat on its face. And then it'll work just fine. I really don't know what's going on with that. See if we can get up the hill without it stalling out. I am due for oil change, hydraulic filter, and fuel filter, so I'll give you guys a fuel filter that's getting plugged up. See, I mean, now it's going up this steeper hill, which is fine, but a minute ago it was struggling on relatively flat ground. This tree right here fell over in the last storm. It was dead. I'm just gonna leave it. Unless I want it for firewood, I suppose. Okay, well, we made it back up. What do you all think with the tractor just kind of stumbling and dropping revs real quick like? Think it's a fuel filter issue or something else? Let me know.